Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Byte Boost. I hope you all are doing good. And in the last video, we have covered how you can select the column from the big data or big table to use the query function. If you haven't watched that video, the link has been given above. You can simply check out the video. And in this video, we are going to talk about how you can use Countif and Countifs. And before to that, if you haven't subscribed this channel, do not forget to press the bell icon and subscribe the channel so that whenever we will upload the video, you will get the notification. And yes, we are uploading the video every day. So without any delay, let's jump into the topic. So now as you can see here, we do have one value that is criteria, which is in the B column. I would like to find out how many times this criteria appears in the B column. To simply using that, check that we can use countf and the range we have to select, that is this one, and we will select our criteria. This is this value, and once we will press enter, we will get this value that 93 times this value appeared in the B column. Now on the condition, what I like to check is this criteria is how many times is greater than 5,000 gross sales. So simply I'll add this one here, and again I'll use count ifs. And criteria range we have to select, that is in B column, we will select entire the B column. And then criteria, then for criteria, we will select this value. And again, second criteria range from wherever we will see the value is greater than 5,000, that is gross sales. Again, we will select entire column, and here we will choose the criteria. Simple. In criteria, we will choose this one and we will close the bracket. Now you can see 87 times value criteria having the gross sale more than 5,000. Now the problem lies here is how you can count this gross sale with countfs. So I'll show you this on the next video. Stay tuned with Byte Boost. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.